Hello everyone, this is Alan from Machine Machinery. Today I want to introduce this machine and X20 digital control machine. It adopts audible design. It has a wider application and it can control various of control. The machine is mainly composed of power system, control system, feeding system, and support working system. Here is the control system of this machine. It operates. It also has the remote control. So, if you have any other questions about this compound machine, you can contact us with no hesitation. Welcome you to send an inquiry to us.